In this video, I'm going to show you how to add admin on your Facebook page. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're just going to open the Facebook application on your phone by tapping on it. Once you are here, if you see at the upper side of your screen, you will be able to see here a header section. And if you see at the very right side of this header section, you will be able to see here your profile icon. So just tap on that. And then you will be able to see here pages as the first option. So you're going to tap on pages. Once you have done that, you will be able to see here all of the pages you have on your screen. So just tap on the page in which you want to add an admin. Then it's going to ask you if you want to switch to your Facebook page. So just tap on switch. Now you're going to tap on your profile icon again from the very right side of this header. Then you're going to tap on this gear icon located at the upper right side of your screen. Then you will be able to see here the first option as page settings, so just tap on that. Once you are here in the page settings section, you can scroll down until you find the option page access. Once you have found that, you can just tap on that. Then you are able to see here the first option as people with Facebook access, and an option of add new next to it. So just tap on add new. Then tap on next. And after that, you're going to type in the person which you want to give access to in the search. So I'm just going to search for any random person. And once you have found that person, you can just tap on their name. After that, if you want to give the whole control to this person, you can also enable this option. But once you do that, they have all the permissions to remove any person from the Facebook page, including you, and they can also delete your Facebook page. Once you have done that, you can tap on Give Access. Then you're going to type in the password of your Facebook account and then tap on Confirm. And as you can see here, you have sent them an invitation, and if they don't accept this invitation, this will expire in 31 days.